Hello again and welcome back to my channel. In the video today I'm going to be making two different style trinket trays. You'll actually see me pour the resin in one and the other one I'll just unmould, but I do show the reveals at the end of both of them. So we'll start with this one first. As you can see me pouring very carefully some beautiful red glitter around the edge rim of the rectangular trinket tray mould. And I just carefully do that and then go round with a cocktail stick, and you can see me just jumping the pot up and the mould up and down. That's just to try and get any bubbles to the surface, and then I leave that to dry. And then once it's dry I come back, as you can see here, and I fill the mould up with this gorgeous pure white resin, and that is coloured with the white pigment paste from Resin 8, and then we leave that to dry. Now I do make sure that I get all of the resin out of the cup because I don't want to waste any, and then give that a spritz with isopropyl alcohol, and then just like magic it is all cured and ready to unmould. So we will carefully take that out of the mould and reveal the gorgeous glitter rim with the white base, and it is just super pretty. So to this one I am adding this heart sword rose design. It's very similar to a tattoo that I've got on my arm, and I have made one of these before and it's sold, and I liked it so much that I thought I'd make another one. So I just stuck that sticker on. I did print it out myself on some clear inkjet vinyl printer paper or sticker paper, and then just add a nice layer of clear resin, not too much. I just want a thin coat because otherwise it will make it like a solid tray and it wouldn't have a little lip around it. So I just want enough just to cover the sticker and the whole base of the tray. So because I haven't got a lot, it's not going to completely flood. So as you can see, I'm pushing that sticker down with the lolly stick and just moving all of that resin round just so it hits every edge and every part of the tray base. And then I will just leave that to dry after I spritz with some isopropyl alcohol. So that is tray number one. All done. I was just adding a drop to the keyring that I have over there. I totally forgot I had that over there, to be truthful, because that's normal. I'm doing a voiceover to my videos because I wear a mask when I wear resin and I don't want muffled. So yeah, so that's tray number one, and we're just going to leave that to dry. And then coming up I'll be unmoulding tray number two, which I made, as you can see, the tray there. So we are taking this one out, and this one is super special. Again, I have made and sold one of these before and thought, well, we'll make one of each again. And this is one of my favourite ones as well, because just wait for it. That beautiful rainbow glitter rim with the white base is just super pretty. And rather do the same again on camera, I'll just show you that I'm applying this rainbow peacock feather, and then I will cover with clear resin, same as that one. And here are both trays completely finished and dry. They will be available soon on my website. I love them. I'd like to know which one you like the best. But as always, thank you so much for watching me and continuing to follow me on my resin journey. And as always, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.